In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a short position in Tradingview charts. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to use Tradingview's tools effectively can make a big difference in planning your trades. Today, we'll focus on the short position tool, which is designed to help you visualize the risk and reward of a short trade directly on your chart. If you're unfamiliar with short positions, don't worry. This tool simplifies the process and helps you make informed decisions. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. The first step is to open Tradingview. You can do this by typing tradingview.com into your browser or launching the Tradingview app on your device. Once you're in, the next thing you need to do is locate the Products tab. You'll find this at the top of the window. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Chart. This will take you to Tradingview's main charting tool, which is where all the action happens. At this point, you should see a chart displayed on your screen. Now look toward the left-hand side of the window. This is where the toolbar is located, and it contains all the tools we'll use in this tutorial. In the toolbar, look for the Short Position tool. This tool is typically represented by a diagonal arrow pointing downward with a small horizontal bar at the bottom. Now, the purpose of this tool is to visually represent a short trade. It helps you analyze both the potential risk and the possible reward of your trade. If you don't see the tool right away, don't worry. It might be grouped under the Prediction and Measurement Tools section. Just hover over the icons in that area, and tooltips will appear to guide you. Once you locate it, click on the Short Position tool to activate it. You'll notice that your cursor changes, indicating that the tool is now ready to use. Now that the tool is active, you need to select the price level on the chart where you want to enter a short trade. Simply click on your chosen price point, and the position box will appear. This box is a visual guide that helps you plan your trade. Take a moment to look at the rectangle that shows up on the chart. You'll see two distinct areas, a red zone and a green zone. The red area represents your potential loss or risk zone, while the green area represents your potential profit, also known as the reward zone. This visual contrast makes it easy to evaluate your trade at a glance. Next, you can adjust the position box to customize it for your specific trading plan. Click and drag the edges of the box to set your stop loss and take profit levels. Adjusting these levels is critical because it aligns the tool with your strategy and helps you evaluate the reward to risk ratio effectively. For example, you might want to set a tighter stop loss to minimize risk, or extend the take profit level if you expect a larger move in price. Once you've made those adjustments, take a moment to review the updated position box. Ensure that it fits your trading plan and aligns with your overall strategy. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the visualization before executing your trade. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to draw and customize a short position in Tradingview charts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.